Wala? Wala! Happy birthday! So, we gather here to greet you happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Wala may food, I'm sorry.
Actually, nihangyo dyan si Mimi na magsamok-samok. So, Mimi, can you give a short message?
Nga na, ati ka ka-love. Ano na cry out? I just noticed nga, kanabitang wala kayo kay mga birthday chuba-chuba ka na birthday ni mo kay murag, always magod na siya. Always magod kang, ay, kwarta na lang ako niya, save ba? Wala dyan siya murag yung surprise dyan kayo ba? So, I just wanted na 20th birthday niya, na di na siya teenager.
Hulo, pwede na makulong. Ay,
Ayosa.
Kaya wala
Ayosa.
ka
Kampiyansa.
How about you? Greet your apa.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you.
I love you!
Monica! First heroine group.
Yes! Happy birthday, Nikki! Hope you have a good one.
Guys! Yumi! Yumi! Message!
Happy birthday, Nikki! And stay fab always. Thank you.
Sa Irel, sigkaon.
Happy birthday na, Club Yungwang.
Mora. Busy, medyo busy.
My birthday na rin, Tanta!
Ay, go. Mother Bibimbap!
Happy birthday! Wala, ikan Rose Pharmacy ang gift niya dyan.
Katong journal dyan, baby journal.
Hi. Ay, birthday na rin. Happy birthday.
Kaon ng bigaday.
Ay, nagkakaon mo ko na. Kuhaan niya ako message eh. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ay, Nikki, happy birthday. Iba ka nga nung nilak si Mimi? Kuhan, tako kasi gastuhan.
Marky!
Happy birthday. May ganiwata nagdungan o gabot kay maguba yung surprise.
Happy birthday! After day, dire kayo mag-McDo ta dito mga on. Dire rami nag-snack. Wala na may sudan. Happy birthday, ostrich friend!
Planning pa bitaw nila, planning.
Planning pa guys, planning.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Nagag-message si...
Snacks na sa preparation.
Ay, snacks pa guys. Brother! Brother, asa naman ka brother? I'm so hungry na brother. Oh, look oh.
Mag-exchanging gift after.
Exchanging gift. Because you're 20. Hawak ma.
Oh.
Because you're 20, so 20 candles. And a pretty girly candles. Yeah. From Monica and Nikki. So, these your gifts. I don't know kung sa isudan eh.
Unsa kaya na?
Unsa ni? Oh my God! Unsa na? Oh my God!
Unsa kaya na nga gift?
It's perfect for her age. She likes to save.
I love your brother. Bisag pasaway ka, love you tika. Hmm?
Later.
Stay awesome. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Guys, sakit na.
So where are we gonna hide?
Mer.